Let's talk about a new subtraction strategy today called going back through 10. The going back through 10 subtraction strategy. First, let's think of a number model for the story. Hayden is riding in the elevator of his apartment building. He gets on the elevator at floor 16. He rides down 7 floors to his aunt's apartment. On what floor is his aunt's apartment? So we are thinking of a number model for the story. Hayden is riding in the elevator. He gets on the elevator at floor 16 and he rides down 7 to his aunt's apartment. And our question is, on what floor is his aunt's apartment? 16 minus 7 equals question mark. And what part of the story does this question mark represent? It represents the floor that Hayden's aunt's apartment is on. So, I am going to repeat this same number story, but with additional information. That means I am going to add information to the number story. Ready? Here we go. Hayden is riding in the elevator of his apartment building. He gets on the elevator at floor 16. He rides down 7 floors to his aunt's apartment. He stops at floor 10. Along the way, on what floor is his aunt's apartment? Now, instead of a number model right here, I want to draw a picture to represent or show my story. If you're able to, draw one with me. What do you think the story or the picture would look like to go along with this story? If you're going to draw a picture to represent the number story, pause the video. Here is the picture that I drew. Let me explain it to you. I hope you like the stick figures that I drew. Here at the top is Hayden. Hayden started on the 16th floor, so I have 16 written right here. And he stops at floor 10 on his way down. This means that he went 6 floors from 16 to 10. Then I said that he went 1 more floor because in the story he went down 7 floors to his aunt's apartment, and 6 floors plus 1 more floor is 7 floors total. And that gets him to the 9th floor, where you see him with his aunt. So his aunt lives on the 9th floor. I drew my number story with Hayden stopping at the 10th floor, going from 16 to 10, and then going from floor 10 to 9. And I know that from 16 to 10, that is 6 numbers because I see a 6 in the ones place and a 10 here. And I'm adding just one more from 10 to 9 to make 7 floors total, and his aunt lives on the 9th floor. And guess what? Hayden's elevator ride can also be shown on a number line. Let's do that. I have the number model here at the top, 16 minus 7 equals, and then I have my number line right here. So let's begin at the number 16 because that's where Hayden begins on his elevator ride. I'm going to show it in purple. I'm going to start right here, put a little dot at 16 because that's the 16th floor. And I'm going to draw a big arc all the way to the number 10 because Hayden stops at the 10th floor. And I am now going to record my new number model to show my thinking on the number line. 16 minus 6 equals 10 because I started at 16 and I went 6 spaces or hops or the difference and I landed on 10. I like to show how far I have gone with these on my number line. So how far I have gone so far is 6. I've gone 6 spaces. You can also record the number or the number model as well. You could show 16 minus 6 equals 10, but I'm going to show 6 right there because it's going to help me keep track of my thinking. Because I want to remind you, I need to go 7 total, and I've gone 6 so far. Me writing the 6 on top, it helped me keep track of my thinking. So that number 6. So why does stopping at the 10 make it easier to subtract from a teen number? So remember, we are subtracting from 16, which is a teen number. And it's easy to take away the digit in the ones place to get to 10. You can think of 10 as a friendly number. 10 is a friendly number. So once again, with a teen number like 16, it is easy to take away the digit in the ones place to get to 10. We can think of 10 as a friendly number because teen numbers can be broken into a 10 and one or more ones. But we're not done with the problem because we've only taken away 6 to get to the 10. And Hayden, he rides down 7 floors in the story. So on our number line, we're going to need to draw another arc or hop from 10 to 9. Let me get my purple. And it's a much smaller one. And this is going to show my 10 minus 1 equals 9. And I'm going to write 1 right there. And I see 6 and 1 is 7. So yep, I went my 7 floors. And I landed on 9. So 16 minus 7 equals 9. This works to give us the answer 16 minus 7 because we are still taking away 7 just in 2 different parts. Let's look at 17 minus 8. I'm starting at 17 in purple And once again, 10 will be a friendly number when I'm subtracting from a teen like 17. So I'm going to make this big arc from 17 to 10. And when I am subtracting from a teen number to 10, I am focusing on the digit in the ones place, and that is 7. 17 minus 7 equals 10. And 7 spaces total from 17 to 10. I'm going to write a 7 right there. How many do I need to go total? 8. So I need to go one more, just like that, from the 10 to the 9. Let me show my thinking. 7 and 1, that makes 8, and I've landed on the number 9. 17 minus 8 equals 9. You will be doing problems like this in your math journal, and I need you to show your thinking just like I am doing, where you draw the arcs like this, and right above it, you write the number of how many spaces you've gone total each time. Let's do one more. 15 minus 6. We'll start at 15, a teen number. We'll use our friendly 10. 15 to 10. And we see we're subtracting from 15. There's a 5 in the ones. We've gone 5 spaces. And I need to take away 6 total. So I need to go, oh no, Mrs. Simmons, don't erase, one more from 10 to 9. Let's check our work. I've gone 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Yes, I've gone my 6 spaces total, and I've landed on the number 9. 15 minus 6 equals 9. You will have 3 problems in your math journal where you will be using the going back through 10 subtraction strategy to solve facts. And I want you to show your work on the number line just like I did in these problems. You will be using the friendly 10 with the going back through 10 strategy.